So I'll just explain you what is componendo and dividendo, but that is maximum used. You know, if A by B is equal to C by D, and I add 1 to both the sides, what I get? I get A plus B by B is equal to C plus D by D. Now this is called componendo. This is called componendo. Now similarly, if A by B is equal to C by D, and this time I subtract 1 from both the sides, what I get? A minus B by B is equal to C minus D by D. This is called dividendo. Now if I divide first by second, A plus B by B divided by A minus B by B, C plus D by D divided by C minus D by D. This by this gets cancelled, and finally what I get? A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. This is called componendo and dividendo. Remember this. So this is what we are going to apply, and this helps us to make the solution easier. All difficult questions also we can get the solution very easily through componendo and dividendo, right? So remember, if A by B is equal to C by D, then A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. This is componendo and dividendo. Remember. So if A is to B, C is to D, then A is to D, B is to D. This is called alternando. Alternando. Now, it means if A by B is equal to C by D, it will be written as AD is equal to BC. And then further, what I can do is, I can write C here, A by C is equal to B by D. And what is this? This is A is to C, B is to D. This is alternando. So, in some case, we have to use alternando also. So, it is given here, this is given, then B is to A, D is to C, the reciprocal of this. This is called invertendo. Invertendo. Now, this is given, this can be written this way. If I take reciprocal, then I can write this by taking reciprocal. Therefore, B is to A, D is to C. This is invertendo. This is invertendo. So here they have given A by B is equal to C by 2. This is given. Now, you see the coefficient of A is L and coefficient of B is M. So what I'll do, I'll multiply L by M both the sides. So I get multiplying So I get LA by MB is equal to LC by MD. Now I'm going to use componendo and dividendo. LA plus MB by LA minus MB is LC plus MD by LC minus MD. This is by componendo and dividendo. But still, in the proof you will find LA plus MB by LC plus MD. Now by alternando. LA plus MB by LC plus MD. This will come here, this will go there. Is equal to LA minus MB by LC minus MD. This is by alternando. Therefore, it is proved. LA plus MB is to LC plus MD. It is LA minus MB, LC minus MD. It is proved. So, you have to prove A is to B is equal to C is to D. First, this is given. The product of this and this is equal to this and this. So what I'm going to do here, you see both the expressions that contains A and B, this one and this one, this one and this one, blue color, I want to bring it one side, and terms containing C and D the other side. So after bringing it here, I use the property componendo and dividendo, numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. Same thing here also, numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. And this I can cancel it, plus 11 plus 11 is 22. Here bracket is there. So when I remove the bracket, this minus becomes plus, and 13 plus 13 is 26. After simplifying this, you get A by B whole square is C by D whole square. It's A square by B square is equal to C square by D square, A by B whole square. And this is equal to A by B is equal to C by D. So this is proved. This question number 7. Now this is given. Now here A plus 2C and A plus 2C. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this one this side and this one the other side. So A plus this I have copied it here, and this I have brought it here, and this I put here. Cross multiplication. So now componendo and dividendo. Now here after this I have to apply componendo and dividendo. Numerator plus denominator, numerator minus denominator. Same thing here also, numerator plus denominator, numerator minus denominator. A plus A is 2A, 2C plus 2C is 4C. Here sign will change, minus A plus 3B minus 2C plus 60. Here also minus A plus 3B plus 2C and minus 60. Now after simplifying this, 3B plus 3B 6B and 6D plus 6D 12B. Similarly here also I get 3B plus 3B 6B minus 60 minus 60 minus 12B. So 2 by 6 common both the sides, that gets cancelled, and then I copy this one here. Now by alternando, this is important. Both the terms containing A and C should be one side. So this one I bring it here and this one I take it there. Alternando. So A plus 2C by A minus 2C and B plus 2D by B minus 2D by alternando. And again I am going to apply componendo dividendo. Again this plus this, by this minus this, here this plus this, by this minus this. Continue the next page. So after simplifying, I get 2a by 4c, here 2b by 4d, 2 by 4 cancelled, and a by c is equal to b by this. I had to prove it. I have proved that. Well, this is a very important question. Assignment also, one problem I have solved this way. I have to find the value of this. So 8ab is equal to 4a into 2b. So if I bring 4a here, x by 4a, I get 2b by a plus b, because 4a into 2b is 8ab, right? Similarly, 2a into 4b is 8ab. So here x by 4a, I bring it down, 2b by a plus b, and because 4a is here, so 4a I am taking it down here, 4b is here, I am bringing 4b down here. Now applying componendo dividendo, x plus 4a by x minus 4a, 2b plus a plus b, 2b minus a plus b. Similarly here also x plus 4b by x minus 4b, 2a plus a plus b and 2a minus a plus b. So here 2p plus b is 3b, and 2b minus a minus b, 2b minus b is b, and minus a is here. Similarly here 2a plus a is 3a, 2a minus a is a, minus b is here. Now when I add them, this will come here and this will come here. But this is the most important step. B minus is a minus b. I can make it b minus a by converting plus to minus. This is a concept. Now denominator is same, 3b plus a minus 3a plus b. After simplifying here, I get answer as 2. This is a very important question. In assignment also, one question I have done of this type. This is question number 11. This is the question. Now I am going to apply componendo dividendo. Numerator plus denominator, and numerator minus denominator. 9 plus 1, 9 minus 1. Now, by simplifying, this will get cancelled. I get 2 into this, minus this plus this. Here this will get cancelled. 6 root x plus 6 root x is equal to 2 into 6 root x. And this is 2 5s are 2 4s are. 2 gets cancelled. Now the next step, by squaring, that is root of 36 plus 1 by 6 root x is equal to 5 by 4. I have squared it. And then I have got this 36 x plus 1 by 6 root x, and here 5 square 25 and 4 square is 16. Now this is a very important, only dividendo calculation will become easier. 36 plus 1 minus 36x by 36x, 25 minus 16 by 16. So this step is very important. So I get here 1 by 36x is 9 by 16. Simplify, x is equal to 4 by 81. This is the answer. Remember, here only dividendo I have used. The very important step, this one. So another question on properties of proportion. This I have to prove this. I need to prove this. So x means x by 1. Always remember. So I have to apply componendo dividendo. X plus 1 by x minus 1. Numerator plus denominator, numerator minus denominator. Here, after removing the bracket, I get 2 into root a plus 1 and 2 into root a minus 1. This gets cancelled. This becomes x plus 1 by x minus 1 and root a plus 1, root a minus 1. So I have to square this. After squaring it, I get this. Now, next is very important. I copy this one here. This becomes a plus 1 by a minus 1. numerator again componendo dividendo by applying componendo and dividendo. I get this. We know the formula a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is 2 into a square plus b square. 9th standard you have studied it. And a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab. You have studied this. So I'll continue in the next page. See here. Remember, since a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is 2 into a square plus b square, and a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab. So directly I have used here 2 into a square plus b square, b is 1 here, and 4ab 4x. So very important, a plus a 2a and 1 plus 1 2. This gets cancelled. This is 2, remember. This gets cancelled. X square plus 1 is equal to 2ax. This is equal to this. This is proved. So remember here, don't get confused. X square plus 1 by 2x is equal to a by 1. And then the cross multiplication, and then from here. So another question. Now I have to find this. X is to y. X is to y. Now I'll apply componendo dividendo here. Numerator plus denominator, numerator minus denominator. Same thing here also. Numerator plus denominator and numerator minus denominator. Now the expression, this is important. Now this is just to explain you. You have studied that a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube is a plus b whole cube. And a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube is a minus b whole cube. This formula will play a very important role here. Because see here, a cube 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the formula of x plus 2 whole cube. And here x minus 2 whole cube. This is a plus b whole cube, y plus 3 whole cube, and this is y minus 3 whole cube. Algebra formula should be expert. Remember that. And then after this, cubes I remove and I get x plus 2 by x minus 2 is equal to y plus 3 by y minus 3. And then again componendo and dividendo, again componendo and dividendo. This plus this by this minus this. Same thing here also. And after you plus 2 minus 2 cancelled. Here also cancelled. 3 minus 3 cancelled. 3 plus 3 6. Here x plus, so 2 plus 2 is 4. And then I get finally x by 2 is equal to y by 3. Y comes here, 2 goes there. And I get x by y is equal to 2 by 3. You can also say alternando here. So final answer is this, 2 is to 3. So this time I have to find the value of x, and this is given. Like always, the most important properties of proportion using componendo and dividendo, numerator plus denominator, numerator minus denominator. 341 plus 91, 341 minus 91. Now this is the formula of x plus 1 whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. We have done it before. It's a very important formula, and this is a minus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. Here 341 plus 91 is 432, and subtract this you get 250. After simplifying you get 216 by 125. This is 6 cube and this is 5 cube. Removing the cube root, finding the cube root of this, I get this, and then again componendo and dividendo. 6 plus 5 11, 6 minus 5 1. Again componendo and dividendo from here. This plus this I get 2x, and this minus this I get 2. 6 plus 5 11, 6 minus 5 is 1. So 2x by 2 is equal to 11 and x is equal to 11. This is the answer. So here one more option you have. If you would have wanted here, you could have used only dividendo. This is just the second option. Would have got x plus 1 minus x minus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 5 by 5. And then see what you would have got. 2 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 5. And then this is 1 by 5. And then if you simplify this, you get x minus 1 is 10 and x is equal to 11. You always have second option. But here only dividendo. Here I am using both componendo and dividendo. This you have to apply. And you also have to write here. Here I have used. Here I have written. Here also have to write. By applying componendo and dividendo. This is here in this one. Here componendo and dividendo. So this is the last question of your book. And this is the question. I have to prove that 2 by a plus b. Now you know that if a by b, if a by b is equal to c by d is equal to e by f, this is also equal to a plus c plus e by b plus d plus f. Sum of the antecedents by sum of the consequence. This property of proportion I have used. Okay, by property of proportion. So here see, I've added this plus this plus this. I get this, and this plus this plus this is equal to this. So this ratio is equal to the ratio of this, equal to the ratio of this, equal to the ratio of this. X plus x, 2x, y plus y, 2y, z plus z, 2z. So 2 common. Here a common x plus y plus z, b common y x plus y plus z. X plus y z is common here. Now they have given x plus y plus z is not equal to 0, because this would have been equal to 0, then this expression would, I don't think it was not defined. Denominator should not be equal to 0. So this gets cancelled and finally I have 2 by a plus b. So this ratio is also equal to 2 by a plus b. It is proved.